Well, I will list all of these products on the description below. On the description below, hey, no, you can't eat that. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. From whatever you're watching this video, obviously you're here to see what kind of products you can use for your pet when it comes to dental health. A lot of us have very difficult pets where they don't allow you to get anywhere near their teeth or mouth area. So yeah, it is a very difficult task. And now I'm not here to discourage you guys. Dental health is very important for our dogs, especially if you have small breeds, because small breeds tend to have very bad mental health. But we have to do something about it. Unless you just want to pay bills at the vet, just throw money at the vet, like, here, remove all of my dog's teeth. Don't do that. Don't do it. Please note that I am no professional, just here to show you guys the products that I use and that have been working for me and for my pets. Obviously, you guys don't know this, but I have 2 miniature Dachshunds, one with being a mixed breed with a Jack Russell. Now, for my pets, I feed them twice a day. I cook for them. We're not gonna get into what exactly do I cook for them, but because I do cook for them, I believe that brushing their teeth is very important. Just like brushing mine, just like brushing yours. One of the miniature Dachshunds is very difficult. He doesn't really allow me to go ahead and brush his teeth, but I did find a way to kind of like trick him into getting his teeth brushed. It doesn't involve treats, no. After a breakfast and after a dinner for them, I always brush their teeth right after. Now, even though dogs are very difficult to sometimes just get near their mouth area, these are products that they are going to enjoy because they will try to get away from the tool that you use, but because they smell that nice chicken flavor and that beefy and that banana, my dogs like banana, that's what I use, they'll get near it. So don't feel discouraged, okay? So first, I use this toothpaste right here. I hope you guys can see it right there. Now for this toothpaste, I love because it is a baking soda and hence formula. Baking soda is really good. It controls tartar and bacteria as well and gives them a really good breath. This one is mint, banana mint. And they have different flavors. They have the chicken, they have the beef, but I tend to go for more of the fruity ones because I feel like, oh, it smells cleaner. So yeah, this is what I use, and with that I use this toothbrush that it comes with it. And it also comes with this little rubbery finger thing that you can use, but I don't like to use it with the toothpaste. I'll show you what I use this little thing for later for the other products that I'm going to show you. I use toothpaste with this little brush. It has a bigger brush, so you guys can use it for your big pet breeds. For mine, because I have small breeds, I use this little one, especially because you don't want to hurt the inside of their mouth. That's gonna make them just run away. If you start hurting their mouth, they're just never going to allow you, for sure. I'll show you guys how to use this tool. Then after using the toothpaste, I use this brush breath. It's really good after using the toothpaste. You just put 2 pumps on each side of their mouth, and the breath smells really good. It also helps with tartar control and bacteria, kills bacteria. So my pets don't run away from this one. They enjoy it a lot, love the taste. Can't go wrong with this one, honestly. That's what I use throughout the week, because this next product that I'm gonna show you, it's meant to be used only once a week since it's a very strong formula. And it tells you right there, it tells you on the product how to use it. Now, this one is the brush-free pet gel, I think. Yeah, it's the oral pet gel. And it's meant to be used once a week. And this one, you don't focus on the teeth. You put these on the gums. Top and bottom gums, once a week. That's it. Because this one is very strong. It doesn't need any brushing. And it's prolonged technology. Very strong. And it helps reduce plaque and tartar buildup. And freshens the breath as well. It's gonna help with that. And it also, you'll see a lot of changes. With this product right here, when I started using it, I was like very impressed. Like I started seeing a lot of changes. I mean, about 80% of dogs or pet owners who use this product see changes. So I really recommend it. This one is chicken flavor. I don't honestly know if they have any other flavors, but chicken flavor, I think it smells pretty good, and they enjoy it. They love it. Now, how do you apply this? So what you do now, this little gel thing that comes with the toothpaste, put it like on my finger right there. And then what I do, I just put a little drop here, and then start working the top gum and then the bottom gum. Then after, put another little drop, and then I go to the other side and do the same thing. I'm gonna show you guys how I do this, obviously with my dogs. So you guys have an idea. Let's do it. Hopefully you guys can see. I can place them right here. Here we go, Papa. Okay, so what I do, I kind of pinch, but not hard, obviously, the little side. You see, let me see, right there. And then I pinch right here, and I just start brushing. It tends to be a little bit easy on me, so he lets me just brush. I'm gonna lift the little area and then just brush. There we go. That's a good boy. Okay, make sure you get in there, guys. And go slow, go gentle, so you don't hurt their gums. Now, just add a little bit more. Are you wagging your tail? Okay, so other side again. That's a good boy. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I apply the spray. He enjoys it. What I do, I just lift one side of his mouth like this and just spray 1, 2. There you go. That's a good boy. Then you lift the other side. 1, 2. There you go. That's a good boy. Now for the gel that you apply once a week, it is time for them to have this applied. I use this little rubber thing. Yeah, I know. Wait. Just a little bit. And you lift up the gums. You have to apply it on the gums. There you go. Put it on the bottom ones if you can. Okay, and then you grab a little bit more. You put it on the other side. You gonna let me? Okay, ready? Show me those teeth. Oh! There we go. There we go. That's a good boy. Alright, done! Alright, so now I'm gonna go clean everything up so then I can show you guys how I do it with Romeo, which is my difficult one. Just watch. Alright, you guys, so this is my beautiful face Romeo. I lay him down like this. Just like that. Oh, yes. Gonna let Mama brush your teeth? Oh, he doesn't like brushing his teeth. You can see already how he's looking at the toothbrush like, what are you about to do, Mom? When I lay him down on his back, he can't run away from me. It's okay. Good boy. It's a good boy. I take longer breaks with him because I know how much he doesn't like it. And if I try to rush it, it just makes it all worse. No, Papa, it's okay. Oh, there he goes. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's go to the other side. You stay here, okay? If he's standing up, he's never gonna allow me, so it's harder for him. So all the other products are gonna work better. Even though I'm not gonna stop brushing his teeth. It's all about patience, you know, patience with your dog, and make sure that he doesn't feel uncomfortable, which he will no matter what. But just try to make this experience as pleasant as possible for him. You can at least do a little bit of brushing. All right, the spray. This one, he doesn't mind, he loves it. So there's another way to keep his teeth clean and his breath very fresh, minty fresh, huh, Papa? Ready? Just lift the gum, and 1, 2. Oh, that's a good boy. Another side, and 1, 2. Oh, that's a good boy. The once a week product, here we go. There we go. So, now we're gonna have to lay him down again, so he allows me to do it. That's a good boy. Let's go to the other side. It's okay. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. Oh, oh, all done. Run away. Woohoo! So there you have it, you guys. That's how I apply all these products, and it seems to be working. Your teeth are better on good. Here, let's show people how your teeth look pretty. Oh, wow. They're so white, aren't they? He's really good. Oh, see your breath. Let me see. Oh, it smells like chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like any of these products and you like my routine and you would like to follow it, well, here you go. All of these products you can find on Petco, PetSmart, really any pet store out there. But if you're like me that doesn't really like to go out there and, you know, I mean, during these times too, if you don't want to go out there, you can also find these products on Amazon. Well, I will list all of these products on the description below. Is that, yeah, on the description below. Hey, no, you can't eat that. He wants to eat the toothpaste. I will link all of these products on the description below for you guys. Yeah, let me know on the comment if your dogs are having any results in the future. Then I would really love to hear about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.